Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll look at ARP spoofing. To perform ARP spoofing, we'll use a tool that is pre-installed in Kali Linux, named ARP Spoof. This is a network tool used to perform ARP poisoning, tricking devices into sending their traffic through the attacker's machine. This enables a man-in-the-middle MitM attack for sniffing or manipulation. To begin, open your Kali Linux terminal. First, check your IP configuration by typing the following command: ifconfig. Then press enter. You'll see that your IP address is 10.0.2.15 and your broadcast address, where you could say default gateway, 10.0.2.255. To demonstrate ARP spoofing effectively, you'll need another machine on the same network. In this case, we're using a Windows 10 machine. Check the configuration on this machine by typing the command ipconfig, then press enter. Here, you can see that the IP address is 10.0.2.16, which is within the same subnet as the attacker's machine. The default gateway is also 10.0.2.255, matching the attacker's machine. Now, clear the screen by typing the clear command and press enter. Next, run the following command on your Kali Linux machine: ARP-a. Press enter. This will list the current ARP entries. You'll notice 10.0.2.16 is incomplete on F0. This indicates no MAC address received from 10.0.2.16 yet. Now, switch to the second Windows 10 machine. Here we can see the same IPv4 address, which is 10.0.2.16. Next, run the same command, ARP-a. Press enter. Here, you'll see several internet IP addresses and their corresponding physical MAC addresses are available. Now, go back to your Kali Linux target machine and run the command sudo ARP spoof. Press enter. You'll see that the ARP spoof version is 2.4. The usage format for this tool is ARP spoof, -i for interface, -c for host IP, -t for the target IP, -r host for the secondary host on which you are working. Now, run the actual command to initiate spoofing. Sudo ARP spoof -i f0-t 10.0.2.3-r 10.0.2.16. Here, F0 is your Ethernet interface. 10.0.2.3 is the target machine. 10.0.2.16 is your host machine. Now press enter and execute the command. You'll observe that ARP spoof begins retrieving IP addresses across the network to perform ARP poisoning. If your target is metasploitable and both machines are configured on the same gateway, you'll see that its MAC address gets changed as ARP poisoning takes place. However, please note that we are not demonstrating this part in the demo because such an act is not fully ethical. Since this is an educational video, the goal is to demonstrate how the ARP spoof tool works and how to use it responsibly. So, this is how you use the ARP spoof tool. If you want to test it, you'll need to set up a metasploitable target machine. Before running the ARP spoof command, make sure to identify the target machine, specify the host machine. Observe that the other machine's MAC address changes once ARP spoof is activated. The most important point to remember is that both machines must share the same default gateway. Once that's in place, you can establish your ARP connection and then proceed to perform ARP spoofing effectively. To defend against ARP spoofing, several strategies can be applied. Start by using static ARP entries on critical systems to prevent unauthorized MAC IP changes. Enable Dynamic ARP Inspection, or DAI, on managed switches to validate ARP traffic. Use monitoring tools like ARPWatch or XARP to detect spoofing attempts. Encrypt network traffic with VPNs and HTTPS to protect data, even if intercepted. Segment your network using VLANs to limit the spread of spoofing within isolated zones. And finally, deploy IDS or IPS systems like Snort to detect and alert on suspicious ARP activity. These combined defenses offer layered protection against ARP spoofing. And finally, as demonstrated in this session, deploying intrusion detection or prevention systems like Snort can help detect and alert on suspicious ARP behavior in real time.